What's going on, YouTube community? Again, here you got Jesse Lambros, Mr. MFC. Today we're actually going to bring a great product to you. Literally, they sold out in like the first 24 to 48 hours. So we definitely know it's a product that everybody wants. And it is the MFC gas trim door replacement. What we found was there was an OEM problem and we tried to find a solution to it. If you live in a colder climate and you press that gas release button and it's the middle of the winter, sometimes, if not all the time, that door does not open because that whole mechanism in the back just freezes up. The good thing about this product is it's a complete replacement and it's manually operated. So yes, it does make you have to get out of the car or have the guy that fills up your vehicle open it, but it eliminates the problem with that freezing gas cap. So today you're going to see how simple of an install it is. It comes with stainless hardware. It's a two-piece design. You have an original one-piece that mounts to the OEM trim, and then our cap mounts to that, so it's a sandwiched application. Contours with the body lines, and it is a super, super, super cool product to have because it definitely gives the added aggressive look to the rear end of your Jeep. Adam said he loves it. It definitely flows with the lines and what MFC is all about, of making your products on your vehicle unique and making you stand out from the crowd. So watch the video, let us know what you think. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Always check us out on Instagram, MFC Offroad, Facebook, MFC Offroad. Any questions, hit us up or drop us a line. Have a great day. So, what we are going to do is literally right here, that's the line that you're going to use.
Mommy, come.
You take this cap, slide it this way, gives you a little bit more of a ample amount of room so you can get in here and cut this. Because this is attached to this. This is your lanyard that keeps this from falling. And I learned the hard way when we tested this out going cross country, is if you don't have this lanyard and you go and put this cap on top of the gas station pump, you fill your vehicle up, you're gonna forget this. Probably wasted about an hour backtracking because I left this piece on the top of the pump. So this tucks back like this. This stays just like that. Now we're gonna go get the trim piece, show you how that attaches to this, and then take it from there. So what we do is, this is a 6mm buffer plate that mounts to the OEM trim, and then the cap mounts to this. We have it preset 3 holes right here. You're only gonna use the 4 outer ones to mount this to the OEM trim, and this one are guide ones, so you can line up the cap to these two, set those, and then do the rest of the ones on the cap so everything goes in nice and neat. You're gonna line this bad boy up. Make sure you have equal amount of cap between the edges. Start with one and work your way over. We don't like to do a self-tap on these. We want it to be nice and tight, because it is only going into plastic. They're basically the equivalent of a sheet metal screw. So it's got a hard point. Just do it in a diamond pattern so you can keep the hard tension on the trim, and this way it seats evenly. This trim piece is a exterior rated ABS, so you have no worries about discoloration, anything like that. So right there, you're good. This is legitimately, like, if someone's got the right tools, 30-minute install. They've got, even if they've got like a, what do you call it, a Dremel, you can definitely do that with a Dremel. I did it when I prototyped mine. So it's definitely a 30-minute install. So I'm gonna line that up, give it a little pressure. Line it up to the pre-drilled hole that's in the trim panel. Continue if you want to with these. Right there, gentlemen and ladies, you got a nicely secured MFC gas cap ring. You can still access this, nice and perfect. Go right in with your gas, and it fits perfect.